Okay. Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you guys. I can see.
Okay. Thank you very much to join with us. Okay. Actually, I'm Hasibul, and this is Kamruzzaman. Okay.
Yes.
We have a big digital marketing agency, and we are working together. Okay, for our honorable client to promote their any business. I mean YouTube channel, Facebook page, any website. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Through digital marketing, hidden tips and tricks. So if you want, we can help you. Please share your business details. I mean, what's your target? What's your goal? Okay.
Okay. This all started with just me and my wife. We were just exploring Ontario and doing stuff. So we've decided. So we plan to go through each one. It's going to take us years.
Okay.
But that's pretty much what.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Yeah, if that makes sense at all.
Okay. So কামরুজ্জামান চ্যানেলটার কি বিষয়?
না চ্যানেলটা দেখি।
Yes sir, please share your screen, then I can see your channel and everything. Easy for me, okay?
Share my screen?
Yeah. Is it possible for you?
Yes, yeah. 1 second. I'm just going to bring up the YouTube channel as well.
Okay, just share and show me, then I will explain what's our strategy and how can we help you, okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Already processing, not yet.
Because I have to.
Yeah.
1 second, okay?
Yeah, we have to wait to see your screen.
Yes, I have to log in as well.
Yeah.
Zoom to do what I need.
Yeah, just go to your channel.
Yeah, I'm at my channel right now. Do you see it? Oh wait, sorry. No,
Yeah. Just go to your home page.
Sorry, there you go.
Yeah. This is your channel. Yeah. Please.
I have this thing installed.
Yeah. Please click on videos. Please click on videos besides homes. Okay. Yeah. Please go back. Yes, sir. Please go back.
Back.
Please go back. Yeah.
Sorry.
Actually, your channel is looking very good. Okay. No problem. But I think here is lots of need to increase and update. Okay. Some reasons. Actually, your subscriber is only 50. Okay. This is very low. You know, right?
Yeah. I started this channel August 25th.
August,
or July
okay.
25th.
Okay, no problem. And also your videos viewers are very low. Okay, and little. Yeah.
This is why we speak.
Yeah. No problem. Actually, we can help you. Okay, we can help you to increase your viewers and also increase your subscribers according to your target. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, targeted location, targeted gender, person, everything. Okay, you can get the targeted leads, no problem. And also need to update and increase your each and every video's SEO score. Okay, using vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and another keyword researching tool. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
And
actually, I just grabbed a trial of vidIQ to try it out.
Yeah. Actually, we are expert on this because we are using this type of lots of tools. Okay, to increase and also viral any videos. So if you want, we can help you. No problem. So.
Yes.
Please stop your screen, then I want to share my screen to see you something, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, dear. Please try to open your camera. Actually, if I can see you, thank you. Please, I have to wait to see you. Yeah. Thank you very much.
No problem. And you can see me, no problem, right?
Yeah. You are looking very gentleman and also very younger guy.
Oh, I'm in my 40s.
Yeah, very handsome. I like you.
Nah, thanks.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
And we 3 person both are using sunglass. That's awesome, brother. This awesome.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Okay, so I'll keep that there so you can see me, and I will look at my screen.
Okay. Yeah, can I share my screen if you don't have any problem?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. If you have any confusion or any question about your channel or about our service, you can ask me, no problem.
I kind of don't. I do understand a lot about it. I understand what it is that you guys would do. I guess I'm more curious because I know it's going to take time. I know I'm not looking to get rich or do anything like that. That's why I'm not looking to spend a ton of money on it.
Yeah.
But I'm willing to try it out.
My name is Hasibul. Okay. It's
Hasibul.
easy than your name, right?
Hasibul is not bad.
Yeah.
I travel a lot.
Kamruzzaman is hard like your name. Okay, Kamruzzaman, this is hard. You can tell him MD. Okay, MD.
MD.
Yeah,
MD,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, yeah. MD means Muhammad. Okay,
Okay.
our prophet.
Yes, Muhammad.
Actually, we know in USA people or another our client, they are very busy and they have no time to spend on YouTube channel, right? So that's why we are helping them. So you can hire us, no problem. We will help perfectly and professionally. And we believe that if we provide you the good service and good result, you will hire us again and again, right?
Yes.
And also client satisfaction and good relation making is our first priority.
Yes.
Okay, actually we can promote your channel by using two methods. Okay, first of all, organic method. Organic method means we will share your video a lots of targeted social media groups. Okay, like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Quora, Reddit, Web 2.0 and another lots of link building site. Okay, to
Yes.
create a backlink for your channel. This is called organic promotion. But I want to assure you that by organic promotion, anyone don't provide you any target or any figure or any number of subscribers. Okay, we can share your video a lots of group, but we do not know. Okay, we don't know how many subscribers we can generate, right? Cause this is
Right.
totally organic promotion. Okay, but here is another option to target our targeted result, generate our targeted result. This is called paid ads campaign. Okay, if we run Google ads to generate our targeted leads, it will be very helpful and Google will help us to generate our specific leads. That's mean targeted gender, targeted location, targeted interested person. Okay, and another things. So
Okay.
yeah, what type of ads do you expect for us? Only organic or paid ads campaign?
Oh shit. Probably a little bit of both, right?
Both, right? So we can start at
Yes.
first organic. Yeah, we can start at first organic. If you agree with us, then
Okay.
if you choose us, then we can convert for Google ads. Okay.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And I want to assure you, I want to tell you that and suggest you that you can hire us for a week test basis, cause you don't know us, we don't know you, so we need to make good relation with you at first. Okay.
I like that concept.
Yeah,
I do.
so you can hire us for a week test basis, for a trial. After finishing our 1 week trial, we will give you some reports and work proof, then you can consider we are good for you or bad. Okay, after finishing our 1 week work, if you see we are okay for you, you can continue with us. Otherwise, if you think we are not better for you, you can reject us, no problem.
Yes. Now, okay. Now, if it was something like where would I be able to do this? Like, let's say we try it for a week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, so actually to start your work, you have to make Kamruzzaman as your channel manager. Okay,
Yes.
so that Kamruzzaman will set up your each and every videos SEO friendly titles, description, high ranking and targeted hashtags. Okay, if need.
One second. One second.
So what's your budget for a week for us?
Yes.
Well, yeah, I was gonna start with MB and I talked about $100.
For a week, right?
Is that reasonable?
Yeah, no problem, comfortable. Actually, we are working lots of money with our another client, but as a first time, need to make a good relation and also need to make good relation, and also we want to give you the best service. Okay.
I am just a regular
Okay, so
guy.
100 for a week, right?
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
no problem, comfortable. So, do you have any PayPal? Yeah. Actually, what's your payment method there?
Pardon?
PayPal?
PayPal? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Kamruzzaman will send you a PayPal. Just you will pay by his PayPal. Okay.
Yes. I'm fine
Actually,
with that.
yeah, but this PayPal owner, not me or not Kamruzzaman, he is our brother. So don't be confused. Okay. Thank you again to join with us. Thanks for your time. Okay.
Thank you.
Hopefully we will meeting in future, right? There.
Oh, we will. We'll do
Please.
this.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks, guys.
Okay.